To remove the seat pad, insert, and harness covers for washing, start by removing the bumper bar. Press the release buttons on the bumper bar while lifting it off the seat. Remove the canopy. Push up the canopy mounts on both sides, then unzip the back of the canopy to remove it from the seat. Push down the two seat release buttons and lift the seat off the stroller frame. Turn the seat over and pull apart the hook and loop fastening strips under the leg rest. Push each fastening strip through the corresponding slot. Disconnect the buckle strap from the bottom of the seat. Rotate the buckle 90 degrees and push it through the slot on the bottom. Turn the seat back over and undo the snaps that attach the bottom of the seat pad to the seat. Pull up the fabric that is looped around both bumper bar mounts. Working from the bottom to top, undo the snaps that attach the sides of the seat pad to the seat. Pull the seat pad forward to access the shoulder strap clips. While pushing the button, slide the clip out of the slot to disconnect the top of the shoulder straps from the seat. Then, thread the shoulder straps through the seat pads. Disconnect the waist straps from the seat. While pushing the button for each strap, slide the clip out of the slot. Undo the snaps at the bottom of the chair. The seat pad should now be separated from the frame with the seat pad insert and restraint system still attached. Unthread all straps through both the seat pad and insert. Turn the strap clips sideways and feed them through the seat pad and the insert until the restraint system is completely separated. Undo the hook and loop fasteners to remove the shoulder harness covers. Slide the cover off the buckle strap. Machine wash the seat pad, seat insert, and harness covers with cold water on gentle cycle. Tumble dry on low heat or air dry. To reinstall the seat pad, insert, and restraint system, start by reattaching the 3 harness covers to the restraints. Slide the cover over the buckle strap. Fasten the hook and loop strips on the shoulder strap harness covers. Working from the bottom to the top, rethread all the straps through the insert and the corresponding slot on the seat pad. Loop the seat pad fabric around the 2 bumper bar mounts. Push the buckle strap into the slot on the bottom of the seat and rotate it into place. Reattach the waist straps to the seat by sliding the clips into the slot. Reattach the shoulder straps to the frame by sliding the clips into the corresponding slots. Snap the seat pad into the seat. Turn the seat over to feed the hook and loop fastening strips through the slots under the leg rest. Close each hook and loop fastening strips under the leg rest. Attach the canopy to the stroller. Push the canopy mounts into the stroller frame until they click into place. Zip the back of the canopy to reattach it to the seat. Reinstall the seat onto the stroller frame. Push the seat downward onto the seat mount until each side clicks into place. Insert the posts of the bumper bar into the bumper bar mounts.